teamLab Borderless is an immersive digital art museum located in Tokyo, Japan. Created by the interdisciplinary creative group teamLab, Borderless is a vast, interactive exhibition space where digital technology meets art to create a unique sensory experience. Visiting teamLab Borderless is like stepping into a surreal, dreamlike world where reality blends seamlessly with digital art. As you enter the museum, you're immediately enveloped in an otherworldly atmosphere of light, color, and sound. Each room offers a unique and immersive experience, inviting you to explore, interact, and engage with the art in ways you've never thought possible. You might lose track of time as you wander through the labyrinth corridors, discovering hidden nooks and crannies filled with unexpected surprises. One of the most captivating aspects of the experience is the way digital artwork reacts to your presence. The museum invites you to follow your curiosity, to wander off the beaten path, and to find moments of quiet reflection amidst the dazzling display. No two visits are ever the same, ensuring that there's always something new to discover and explore. As you move through the space, the installations come to life, transforming in real time based on your movements and interactions. Whether you're going solo, with friends, or as a family, you'll encounter moments of discovery that resonate with you on a personal level. The boundaries between physical and digital, real and virtual, become increasingly blurred as you navigate the museum. Each visitor's experience at the teamLab Borderless is unique and highly personalized. Mirrors, reflective surfaces, and hidden sensors create an illusion of endless space, drawing you deeper into the immersive movement. You might find yourself surrounded by shimmering schools of fish that scatter as you walk through a virtual ocean, or immersed in a field of vibrant flowers that bloom and sway in response to your touch. Visitors aren't just passive observers, they're active participants in the creation of art. From touching walls that respond with ripples of lights to collaborating with others to manipulate digital landscapes, the museum encourages hands-on exploration and experimentation. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the beauty of the artwork, let your imagination run wild, and experience the joy and discovery anew with each visit. One of the most memorable experiences at teamLab Borderless is the sense of wonder and awe it inspires. In essence, teamLab Borderless offers more than just an art exhibition. It's a journey into the limitless possibilities of creativity and technology. It's a place where you can immerse yourself in a world of imagination and wonder, leaving behind the constraints of reality to explore new realms of possibilities. Whether you're standing in a room filled with cascading waterfalls of lights or surrounded by a kaleidoscope of swirling colors, each movement and each moment is a feast for the senses. This interactive element fosters a sense of connection and agency, empowering visitors to shape their own artistic experiences. In essence, teamLab Borderless offers a multi-dimensional journey into the intersection of art, technology, and human experience. It's a place where boundaries dissolve and imagination takes flight, inviting visitors to explore new realms of possibility and creativity.